What's going on, YouTube? Ty back with another video. In today's video, it's Acorns again, and I just set up my Acorns Later Roth IRA account, and it took literally 3 minutes. It asks you, simple questions. Do you want to defer your taxes, or you want to access your money for the future? I picked the access my money for the future. It asks you gross income. If you're married, how much you make together? Do you file separate or jointly? And that's pretty much it. They ask those questions, and that was it. That was it. That's all they ask you, and they say, and they'll analyze your income. They'll analyze, how much your wife make, and how much you make and wife make, and they put it together, and they will recommend you a plan, and recommend a Roth IRA, which I always wanted anyway. But I just opened this account today, and it took literally 3 minutes. I mean, literally that much short time. And the max you could put into IRA is $5,500 a year, and if you're under, I don't know the age, 59, whatever, I don't know the age, but if you're over 60, 59 or 69, I don't know, you could put $6,500, so $1,000 more. So I just set it up. They asked me if I'm divorced and married, how much do I make, how much me and my wife make together, do we file jointly or separate, and do I prefer paying taxes later, or do I want my money in case of emergency? I want my money in case of emergency, and they'll analyze it, and that's it. So I haven't been through this yet. I got a Roth IRA. My yearly max contributions is $6,000. I can have a portfolio. Your portfolio is selected based on your age and timeline of retirement, and it shows you what's investing in itself. We click here, mildly aggressive profile. Your profile is mildly aggressive portfolio. So it's mildly aggressive, but that's what it says here. So I'm gonna throw $25 in here today, and I can add a beneficiary, which you should do. I can do automatic payments as well, and it tells you how the IRA works. Yeah, I could take it out. I could add in money. I take out money if I want to, with no benefit. But I believe you might pay a benefit if you take out your dividends. You might have to pay taxes on that money. So this would be another account. I stole a little money in there when I can, and keep it moving and let that grow over time. Do not F with it. You know what I mean? So here's the history. I have no history. I just open this account. So what I would do, I'm gonna throw $25 in today. I'm gonna wait a whole month, and I will do another Acorns Later review, and we'll see how his money has grown, and it's going to invest the money for you. So we'll throw in $25 a day, and we might throw in another 25, maybe $50 to $75 in the next month, and we'll see the difference. If you interested in Acorns Later, is that a good investment? Remember, Acorns, you need an Acorns account, and that's $1 a month, and Acorns Later is $2 total for both. So it's $1 a month for both, so $2 per month for both. So not a bad idea to get into. I'm 32, start earlier. Start throwing in $10, $20 when you get paid. Let that money just sit there and grow. To me, I got a 401k. This is just another account to put money in for the next 30 years. So I let that thing just grow. If I don't have the money to put it in, I don't put it in. I don't do the recurring contributions because I don't want to do that. I might do $10 when I get paid, but I want to put the money in myself. So that's it. The setup is mad easy. It's under 3 minutes. They ask you 3 or 4 questions, and they'll choose a program for you. If you make more than 120,000 combined, they push to another bracket. I don't know, but yeah, this is how you set it up. This is how it looks outside, and yeah. So this is my core. This is my account for investing in stocks, and this is my later retirement, and that money will keep going up. So yeah. TyForTheXKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any questions, comments, concerns, below the video, you can comment any questions about the setup. Is it worth it? Any questions at all about Acorns in general, leave them below the video. I'll see you next time.